Hey guys, I am back with a video before I start my Christmas story time with Olmr. Before I start, all across North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, subscribe if you're new, share this video, and the massive like, and also the notifications and start. Okay, here's my story. So back in 2003 or 2002, when I was just a teenager, back in my glory days. So one Christmas Eve night, we went to church for Christmas Eve, because we always do that on Christmas Eve, go to church. And then when we got home, I heard a strange sound coming up from the sky from Santa Claus of his reindeers. Because usually when you just have those bells that jingle. Well, I heard that. I heard I didn't hear Santa Claus, but I heard it like jingling. You know, jingle from the reindeers, because they have like those things that wrap around their bodies, the bells, they make noise on Christmas Eve. That's when Santa Claus comes down the chimney and gives us presents on Christmas Day. So that was a weird experience of me during my teenage years, when everything was so good. So yeah, that's what else is there for the story? Yeah, it was one Christmas Eve night where Santa Claus reindeers. I think it was what do you call them? Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, Rudolph, the leader of the pack. Because I know you guys have all the memories of Christmas classics. There was a show called, I can't remember it, but it's Rudolph Reindeer's Reindeer. I think it's called that. And he helped Santa Claus with this bright red nose light up the foggy skies up in the sky without getting lost on Christmas Eve, giving kids their Christmas presents. It wasn't creepy. It was a very odd sound I heard when I was just a teenager. Of my teenage years. So that's my story on my Christmas Eve since 2002 or 2003, either or, one of those years. So that's it for the story time. I'll be back at 7 o'clock with my Pokemon video on Chilling Rain on the Charizard tin. For now, that's it for the video. My final thoughts all across North America, Europe, Asia, the Middle East. Subscribe if you're new. Push the notifications. Push the massive like. Live long and prosper. And peace out. And Merry Christmas. And have a Happy New Year.